Hi. Today I woke up and I chose violence. So this is my hair. All mine. I have not changed my hair, cut my hair, done anything really crazy with it in probably 10 years. I don't even know. I want to cut my hair today. My cousin is already up at Carli salon. My best friend, Lindsay's salon. She's doing highlights today. I was gonna just go up and be like moral support, go and hang out. And I had this like overwhelming feeling of like, I wanna change my hair. What do you guys think? Do you think I'm actually gonna go through with it? I don't know. Let's go. So I smashed my window. I feel like you guys are gonna be able to hear the wind. Hopefully it doesn't smash further. I just need a little bit of a change. But I'm probably gonna cry, so.
You went through taking round, I was all alone.
So cute. I didn't get the Christmas jammy memo.
I showed up in a red sweater.
No, you didn't. My tag is hanging off my jacket.
This cardigan.
What do you mean?
Your little button is just hanging here.
Can you tell my jacket's new? What a dumb bitch.
Did we huddle in Florida?
At the palace, they've just arrived.
And I'm so far away.
We're gonna go, finally, we're gonna go unpack them and ship them.
I'm taking the sweater off.
Yeah, show the body.
No, not the body, the hair.
Hi, this is Cassandra, my love.
Right? It's too long. Like, I need a change.
Yeah, you need a change. Like layering it, I think she'll look
Short,
like
and
a...
like short layers. This is what I do on my bathroom sink. I could just cut it and put it on the floor.
Yeah, we'll sweep it up.
So normally I'll just literally take all of it. How much are we thinking? Should I start less, like here? And then I can always cut more once she does her layers. I'm scared.
I say cut less because
Right.
then if you cut layers into it and you want it to feel more solidified, you could cut more.
Right.
You know, if you cut too much and then the
I
layers
know, then I'll
start to
die.
thin. I'm nervous.
Yeah.
All over us. We love it. Oh my god.
Don't do it again.
Are you dying at me?
I ever did see.
The what?
How are you feeling?
Ask me when she starts chopping layers in my hair. This I can handle. This length I can handle.
Come on in, Lindsay Barbs.
So I have to have it wet, right? Or wash it? Okay.
You can still go more, no?
Well, I figured let you do the layers. I want this like.
All right,
No, that needs
That was like absolutely not. Oh my god.
She's so nervous.
I'm nervous.
I know.
She makes me nervous.
Okay. So like normally what I would do is like this is what I would cut.
She like only cuts her.
Right.
You only
Like
want,
I would go like this and like
interior.
and like keep all this.
Okay.
You would start cutting it at that point?
Oh yeah, I would just take it like this.
This is not gonna have to be a haircut that's gonna connect.
Like
This
this.
is what
I know I never connect it. And then I would just
No,
like go.
sorry, Car, but it needs to
It
connect.
needs to connect.
You're gonna look wild if it doesn't
All right,
connect.
I'll
and
let
then
you.
have a
That's why I'm
dripping.
here. That's why I didn't do it on my own. I was like, let me
She's
just get it
gushing
myself.
blood.
I know. G'day. They'll hate me already. Let's show them your gorgeous hair. Woo! Woo! Am I gonna cry?
Never.
Promise.
We only make people smile here.
Literally
It's
having
like
heart
impossible to.
palpitations.
Oh my gosh. You're gonna be okay, I promise.
This is the best head massage, scalp massage I've ever gotten, you angel queen of the earth. She's an angel. What are we doing first? Can you talk me through it?
Okay, so I'm gonna start with your back.
Half her head. Half her hair is killing me. Yeah,
So long though.
I want to take I'm gonna take a little piece from the front that we were both in like understanding. On the same page. Because if I am, I kind of you have like 0 in here right now.
Layer.
And I'd like to take like this much off. And then that would allow it
To get toppier up on top.
not even. I mean, yeah. So
Okay,
I'm gonna connect it from here, but I will need to take a pretty decent amount off of this back layer because look, you got nothing. It is.
I know it's all one lane.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, we got this.
Go.
I'm taking them on off.
Just go.
It's all interior.
Fuck it. Just hair,
Why
right?
not? It's just hair. It'll be great. Start small. You can always do more.
Daphne 1 and Daphne 2. You're so... The moment of truth. You. Is this because I'm gonna need it? Short, I can't say. It looks good.
Yes. Carli, this is amazing.
I'm so happy this is still long.
Yeah. It looks so good.
I love it. And you look gorgeous.
Yeah.
I can't, like, perfect. You look like a wife, like somebody's
Ah.
wife for sure.
It's a...
Yeah.
Yeah, and now
What is this?
It's prosecco and white cranberry with edible glitter.
This is where dreams are made of, guys. Carli Salon. Pretty. Cheers, pretty.
Gotta shake those bad boys up.
Oh my god. Cheers, gorgeous. I survived my first real haircut in 10 years. Lindsay, thank you so much. We can still be friends after today. I'm just kidding. I love you so much.
I love you.
Oh wait, and what are you wearing on your lips, by the way?
Oh, Lindsay.
Oh.
I'm Lindsay.
You look gorgeous. Danny, she's gonna be here a little bit longer, so
know.
we'll see her final
Yeah.
result when you get home later.
Cooking meals at my baby.
Look at you! Oh my god! It looks stunning. Oh my god, she's humping. Like ready for the beach with all those highlights. Stunning. 2 thumbs up to our girls at Carli. We love you! Yes. So when I got home, I cut a little bit more. I needed more of like a bang. But I'm so happy that I went to Lindsay and let her do like a professional haircut because I needed it, and it was just so long and all one length that I really didn't trust myself to do it. Thank you so much to Lindsay. So much more body, and I'm just obsessed with my hair. Something different. I feel like this is how my hair was when I was like first starting out on YouTube, so I'm really, really happy. What do you guys think? Let me know. Definitely go check out Carli Salon in Wayne, New Jersey. The best salon. Cassandra and Lindsay are my favorite 2 girls, and I highly recommend. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, I'll see you.